Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Art Beads. Let's make some really simple earrings with these amazing Zola Elements pendant links. I've got some Figaro chain, it's 2.3 millimeter, and you'll need to be cautious of where you cut this chain. You'll want to cut off the smallest pieces, and you do have to cut it. They're closed and soldered, so you'll have to pick out a spot where you can cut. I always wait to cut from my complete piece of chain until I'm really settled on the length I want to use. I attach the chain to the Zola link with 4 millimeter jump rings, and then I add a 4 millimeter jump ring at the top of my two pieces of chain so that I can hang the chain and Zola component so that it will hang forward and face in the right direction. So you'll take a little bit of time to get that right, but once you've got the chain connected and that jump ring, you can attach an ear wire. Everything to make these can be found at artbeads.com. So much fun. Thanks for watching.